In this lecture, I am going to show you how to write the basic coding of sets.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, I have already created a project called myset, so I am going to create a Python file. In it, let the name be set1. So set1.py file will be created. So I will start with the comment, and the comment I am going to give is following is a simple set creation. Okay, so this is going to tell us how to create a set in the simplest manner. So I'm going to write like values is equal to, and see carefully, I'm using curly braces. I'm using curly brackets. I'm not using either square brackets or parentheses. So you can see all the values of this set 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, they have been put inside curly braces. So that indicates that this is a set. Now I will use, as usual, I will use the print statement to print all these values. Let's execute the program and see the output. Okay, so this is the output: 100, 200, 10, 20, 30. These values, these are the values which have been picked up from the set called values. Okay, so let's proceed further. So now what I am going to do is, okay, let me have another set. I'm going to give it a name record. So what I am going to do is, I am going to prove that the values in a set, they can be heterogeneous. So a set can be heterogeneous. That means it can contain values belonging to various different data types. So record is equal to 101 Kamal Mohan 100.75. As you can clearly see in this set, there are three values. The first one belongs to the integer data type, second one belongs to the string, third one belongs to a floating point data type. So heterogeneous values are allowed. So let me execute the program and see the output. Yeah, the output is being shown. The string will be displayed first. So okay, now the next thing we are going to do is, we will be we will learn that we cannot have duplicate values, which I have already discussed in the slide about sets. So we cannot have duplicate values in a set. So listen it carefully. If we have duplicate values in a set, it's not going to give us any error message, but it will print only one value out of all those duplicate values. Let us illustrate this. So here I am having a set with the name numbers within curly braces. I am placing all these values 100, 200, 900, etc. And you can clearly see value 100 is being repeated. It appears how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 times. So when I will print this set numbers, no error is going to come, but the thing that we will see is the value 100 will be printed only once. Yeah, as you can see. Why? Because set does not allow to have duplicate values. All the values, they are to be unique, right? So next, what I am trying to do is, I'm going to tell you that we cannot have mutable elements in a set, right? As we have already understood that mutable values are not allowed in a set, because in a set all the values are immutable. So as you know, list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Set is also immutable. Here what I am trying to do is, I am going to have a set called roll numbers, whereby I have got values within curly braces 101, 202, 303, and after comma I am having the values, certain values 10, 20, 30 within square brackets. As you know, square brackets means I am trying to have a list over here, which will not be allowed. It will be erroneous because the list is mutable. Mutable elements are not allowed. So I will try to execute this program. As you can see, there is an error. Let's go upwards. See, unhashable type. This kind of error will appear on the screen. Unhashable type colon list. So this is not allowed. Okay, right. But in the same breath, I want to tell you that had it been a tuple, there wouldn't have been any problem because tuples are not mutable, they are immutable. So let me copy and paste, and instead of using square brackets, let me use parenthesis. So with parenthesis, it will become a tuple. So this error will go. So I'm writing okay. Sorry for comments. I should have given hash symbol. Right. Okay. So this is our tuple because we have written the values within parentheses. So tuples are allowed because they are immutable. So immutable values are allowed in a set because set itself is immutable. So it's a very interesting thing. Okay, so we are going to print our set called roll numbers. Let's execute the program, and yeah, you can see the proper output is being displayed, right? The values of the tuple are getting printed 10, 20, 30, and the other values which belong to the set, that is 101, 202 and 303, they too are getting printed.